right, this is our last homework for this topic. Homework and practice 2-5, we're modeling with math. So let's take another look. You can draw an array or bar diagram to model and help solve problems. Terry has 3 baskets. Each basket has 2 toys. How many toys does Terry have in all? So this is each a basket, basket, and a basket. Each one has 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in our bar diagram, we have a total of 6. So she has 6 toys in all. So let's go down and look at this. Draw an array or bar diagram to help you solve each problem. Then write an equation. Beth has 3 rows of sunflowers. So take a look at this. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. Remember, rows go across because it's row, row, row your boat. And each row has 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're doing 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 5 more is 15, gives us a total of 15. All right, let's take a look at this one. We're using a bar diagram. Curtis makes 2 books. So this will be 1 book here, and this will be another book. Each book has 7 pages, 7 and 7. How many pages does Curtis have in all? Well, I can know this is a doubles fact. I know that 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 7 plus 7 equals 14 pages. All right, let's go ahead and flip this over and take a look at the back. This is going to be a big word problem, so we can do this one together if you'd like to. You can try it on your own, but it's got a lot of information, and we have to figure out what it's asking us. So here we go. Planting flowers. Mrs. Dunlap is planting some flowers in her garden. How many flowers? Some. We don't know. It's a math mystery. We're here to solve it. She has 10 tulips, 5 roses, and 10 daffodils. So I'm going to circle each of the types of flowers with their numbers, but we're going to see if we need all that information. She wants to plant the flowers in an array where each row has 5 flowers. So each row, 5 flowers. How many rows? So what are we asked to find? How many rows are in her garden? And garden is G-A-R-D-E-N. Okay? So Mrs. Dunlap thinks she should plant 4 rows of 5 flowers. Does her plan make sense? Why or why not? Well, let's take a look. She wants to do 5, each row has 5 flowers. Let's see how many flowers she has in all. She has 10 tulips, 10 daffodils, and 5 roses. So let's add this up. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. Now let's count the ones in the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2. So she has a total of 25 flowers. And she wants to do 4 rows of 5 flowers. So let's check that out. Let's do 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of 5 flowers each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's figure this all out. We need to have 25 flowers. Let's see if we have 25 here. 5, 10, 15, 20. No, 4 rows of 5 flowers would not work. We can just write no on there. And we kind of explained why using our pictures. All right, now draw an array to show how Mrs. Dunlap should plant her flowers. Label the flowers. How many rows are in her garden? Well, I know here she wants 5 rows. So let's go down here and do our 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now she's got 25 flowers. And here we got to 20, but if we did 1 more row, we could get to 25. So what I'm going to do is we have 10 tulips. I'm going to put a T next to tulip. 5 roses, an R for roses next to the 5, and a D for daffodils. All right, let's start filling this in. She wants to do 5 rows. So we're going to start doing 5 per row. So I'm going to do 5 tulips. Tulip, 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 tulip. But she has 10, so I need another row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tulips. So 5 plus 5, we've got our 10 tulips. Now she wants the 10 daffodils. So we're going to do 5 each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yikes! And then 5 more roses. We can fit this in perfectly. 1 rose, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows. Whew! That was a lot of work. Excellent job, everybody.